All right, WMC, this is the video to randomize our NFL teams for tonight's break number one, which is one of the NFL full-size helmets. So we'll check the time, March 25th at 10 a.m. I'm going to go over to the break and type live. We have... Come on. Come on. We have... Maybe. Come on. There we go. March 25th at 10 a.m. There's the list of our 32 NFL teams. We're just going to randomize this list and we'll match it back to our entry list. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 5. All right, 5 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we'll get the team list posted. You guys can trade teams if you like. Then we'll see you at 6:30 for the break.